St. Anne's Lines Primary School, Bagalkot, for mathematics class of standard 7th. In my today's class, I am going to start the new chapter, that is simple equations. Students, please note that this is chapter 4. Now I completed chapter 2. Just I am skipping chapter 3. That means that I will take that chapter afterwards. And this chapter is simple equations, is algebra. Please note that this points and exercise you have to solve in algebra fair note. I told you 2 horizontal books. One already you have used for the arithmetic, for the chapters of integers and fractions and decimals. I think you complete that, you might have been written. Now another one notebook is there, that is horizontal only. In that horizontal book, this algebra you have to start. This is algebra chapter. Algebra is nothing but branch of mathematics. Maybe you are knowing, last year you might have been studied algebra. Algebra, here in the mathematics there are 3 branches, main branches in the primary stage. That is arithmetic, algebra and geometry. Main 3 branches are there. Then as you go in the higher classes, you learn some other sub branches in the geometry, in the algebra, even in the arithmetic. Okay, you are getting some sub branches that you see later in the higher classes. Now at present, maths, in the mathematics there are 3 main branches, that is arithmetic, algebra and geometry. Now arithmetic 2 chapters we have completed. They are integers and the second one is fractions and decimals. Now in the algebra, this is the first chapter we are doing, that means simple equations in the algebra. The third chapter, that is data handling, also comes under the arithmetic only. Actually that is statistics. There is also one branch of maths. For that we don't have any other book. That will be in the arithmetic fair note only. This is algebra fair note you have to write. Another notebook. Second time again I am telling you. I told you 2 horizontal notebooks. In that already we have used one book for arithmetic. The second book now you have to use for the algebra. The algebra chapter is simple equations. Okay. And also one more thing I want to inform you that already I completed chapter 1 and 2. In that you might have been got any problems or some doubts may be there. That doubts you just inform me, or to my personal number you can send those doubts. To solve those all doubts I am coming online, that is live. I am coming on the live. So I am going to mention you, or I am going to give you the message of the time and even the link. Okay, how you have to join and all. I am going to give you the link and the time of joining that live class. So that day, before that only you have to give me your problems. Miss, with this problem I didn't understand. What is this? Okay, so that all, please to my personal number you send those messages. So I want to clarify one day chapter first doubts and in another class chapter 2 doubts. So every chapter one day I am coming on the live. So this is for your kind information I am giving you, and I am going to give the message for the link and the time of live class. Okay children, now let us come back to the chapter, that is simple equations. First, here see, as you know all already I told you this is the branch of mathematics, that is algebra. In the algebra, little few basic things I am going to tell you. The term variable is very very important. See here, variable. What is this variable? In the algebra, the main thing we are using is variables. What are these variables? Variable, the name itself, Vary means this vary, no? V-A-R-Y. Vary means change. Changes. Varies means changes. Vary. Okay. Variables. What is changes here? The value of some alphabets. We are using the alphabets, small alphabets. A, B, C, D up to X, Y, Z. That means all the 26 letters of English alphabets. That is small alphabet, second letter. We are using as the variables. Variables. Why we are using them as variables? What is changing in that? The value of these variables is changing, not a fixed value. They are called as variables. What it is changing? See, in some problem a value may be 3, in another problem a value may be 4001, in another problem a may be 0, or in another problem a may be 1. So according to the situation of the problem, the value of the a is changing. Not only a, even all the alphabets, whichever alphabet you take in the algebra, it will be changing. Usually we take ABC, LMN and XYZ. These are the usual notations we are using, symbols we are using as the variables. So why they are called as variables? Their value is not fixed. They are changing according to the situation of the problem. The value of these alphabets is changing. So they are called as variables. The main ingredient of the algebra is variables. What are variables? Now you understood. Okay. The same way we may get x equal to 10. In one problem x equal to 200. And you may get x equal to 119. And x equal to like this, so on. Any result or any value you may get. Okay, so they are called as variables. This is what the main theme of the simple equations. What are simple equations? We will see now. After this variables, now what is an equation? We will see. Okay. What is an equation? Simple equations. Okay. What is this equation? An equation means there is an equality sign must be there. Okay. For what this equality? For LHS and RHS. For LHS and RHS. What is this here? 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. See here, now here equality sign is there. Equation means there must be equality. Equality among what? Equality among the LHS and RHS. Okay, what is there in the LHS? In the LHS there is an expression. This is called as expression. Combination of variable and constant is called as expression. You learn in the later classes, in the higher classes in detail what are the expression, what are the terms and all you learn later. This is an expression. Expression in the LHS is equal to an expression in the RHS. When it is equal? When we find out the value of x. When we find out the value of x. See now, then how to find out and all, next we learn. Okay, here see, equal sign, that is simple, this is called as simple equations. Simple equation. Now suppose I cannot say 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. I cannot say this is an equation. Why I cannot say? There is no equality only. No equality here, greater sign is there. This is not at all equation. The same way, x plus 7 is smaller than 9. No, this is also not an equation. Why? There is no equality here, greater and here smaller signs are there. When there is equality among the LHS and the RHS, we say it as an equation. And if an equation is having one variable on either side. It may be on either side or on the one side. Here there is one side. Same variable, it must be on the other side also. Then it is called as simple equation, and that variable must have the degree or power here 1. That comes linear equation. Later you study that one. Okay. See, this is what? Equation. What is equation? Equation must have the equality among the LHS and the RHS. Okay. Now, how to find the LHS and the RHS equality then? Whether they are equal or not? Yes, we will see now. See, 2x here, x equal to, first we will put 1. What happens? See, 2x plus 3 equal to 7. Here in place of x we put 1. What happens? 2 ones are 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. No, both are not equal. Then we put x equal to 2. In place of x we will put 2. Okay, what happens? We will see. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. Yes, LHS equal to RHS. For some values, for what? For some values of x, for some value of x, there must be equality between LHS and RHS. So this is equation. Okay. For what value LHS equal to RHS? For x equal to 2. X equal to 2. This is the value of x. For the value of x equal to 2, LHS equal to RHS. This is what? Equation, and this is method of finding that you learn later how to solve them. Now, some statements I will tell you. You can write the equation. Now, first we learn to write the equation for some statements given. Okay. What are some statements? Say the sum of 3 times of x and 11 is 32. The sum means what? Addition. The sum of what? The sum of 3 times of x. 3 times of x means 3x. 3 times of x. Okay. The sum of 3 times of x and 11. The sum of 3 times of x and 11 is equal to what? 32. What was the statement? Sum of 3 times of x and 11 is 32 was the statement. For this statement, now I have written the equation. This is equation. Okay, this is method of writing the equation for the given statement. Okay, another statement I will write. Now you can try. Now, if you subtract 5 from x, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, 6 times a number, you get 7. You get 7. See here, this is one statement. The first statement, see, what is that? Sum of 3 times of x and 11 is 32. Sum means addition. Sum of what? 3 times of x means 3x and 11 is equal to 32. This is equation we have written for the given statement. What is the second statement given? See here, if you subtract 5 from, we are subtracting, what we are subtracting? Subtracting 5. From what? From 6 times a number. A number means here, you can take any variable. It may be 6a or it may be 6x or it may be 6l. Okay, 6 times a number. Let a number be x or let a number be a. Then you get 7. First we will take, let a number be, let a number be x. Then you subtract 5 from 6 times of a number. That means 6x minus 5. Subtract 5 from 6 times of a number. You get 7. This is what equation for this statement. Equation for this statement. See, this type you will get even in the exams. You get the statements, you have to write the equations. Sometimes you get the equations, you have to write the statements also. This is what method of writing the equation for the given statement. One more. 1/4 of m is 3. See, third one. 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. Is 3 more than 7. See here, 1/4 of m. 1/4 of m means 1/4 into m is equal to 3 more than 7. That means 7 plus 3. 3 more than 7 means 7 plus 3. This is what the method of writing the equation for the given statement. Okay. It is greater than 7 by 3. This means that the difference greater than 3. M my 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. 1/4 of m. So 1/4 of m can be written as m by 4. See, this 7 will take this side. Minus 7 is equal to 3. 1/4 of m is 3. Okay, 3 it is. More than 7. More than 7 means 7 is subtracted. Actually, you can write here also. When we simplify it, when it comes this side, it will become minus 7. This is what the given equation for the statement. Okay. Then next one, the fourth example. That is, take the number. See, 1/3 of a number. 1/3 of a number. 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. Plus 5 is 8. 1/3 of a number, that means 1/3 of a number. 1/3 of a number means 1/3 of a number. Let a number be anything, A, B, C, anything. So 1/3 of a number, that means A will take 1/3 of a number plus 5 is equal to 8. See, 1/3 of A means A by 3. A by 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is what the wanted equation. For the statement, I have written the equation. This is method. Okay. Sometimes they will give the equation, we have to write the statement in reverse. Okay. That also we will see 1 or 2 and then exercise we can solve. Now, x minus 5, one example of equation we will take. X minus 5 is equal to 9. How can you write the statement for this? Here see, 5 is subtracted from what? From a number. 5 is subtracted from a number and you get 9. Finish. If 5 is subtracted from a a number to get 9. This is what? This is equation. Now we have written the statement. In the previous case, statement was given. We have written the equation. Now reverse, vice versa. Equation is given. We are writing the statement. Okay. The same way, 5p is equal to, second one, 5p is equal to 20. Very easy. Anybody can tell this? 5 times of p is 20. 5 times of p gives 20. Finish. Statement for the given equation. Next, third one, 3n plus 7 is equal to 1. See here, anybody can try for this? 3 times of n is added to 7 to get 1. 3 times of n, 3 times of n is added, or the sum of 3 times of n, like that also you can write. What it is? The sum of 3 times of n and 7, the sum of 3 times of n, or 3 times of a number. 3 times of a number, because n here they have taken. It may be any other number. Okay. The sum of 3 times of a number and 7 gives 1. Okay. In different way also you can write, no problem. 3 times of a number is added to 7 gives 1. No problem. That is also correct. Or the sum of 3 times of a number and 7 gives 1. Both are correct. Yes. Then fourth one, m by 5 minus 2 is equal to 6. How to write? Here also 2 times you can write. 2 is subtracted from 1 by 5th of a number. 2 is subtracted from 1 by 5th of a number to get 6. Like that also you can write. Okay. So this is what all the theory about the simple equations. Now I am going to mark you some points. Please you have to write in the fair note, and then I'll go for the exercise. Just 1 minute I'll do the exercise. See, points you write. I think all are having the textbook now. Chapter 4, simple equations, page number 77. Okay. First you have to put the chapter number, then name of the chapter, then points, point wise. So you don't know how to write point wise. This is point, or like this. Any one way you can write. The first point you have to mark. You mark in the book. You write it slowly. First point, page number 78. Review of what we know. That paragraph is there, no? In that second paragraph, the word variable means from there to we form expressions up to there. How many? 3 lines. Last word is expressions up to there. You have to write. Okay. Then next, page number 79. What equation is? That is there, no? Okay. In that, first word in an equation from there to RHS up to there you have to write. Point wise you go on writing. Okay. Then afterwards, in the same page, in short an equation is a condition. In short you don't write. An equation is a condition from there. An equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. Note that at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable up to there. Okay, finished. Next paragraph only, next of that only. Last two lines. An equation remains the same when the expressions on the left and on the right are interchanged. This property is often useful in solving equations like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 points I made you to mark. So, first you have to write these all 4 points and then you can go for the exercise. Now, exercise I am starting. Okay, exercise 4.1. Just first main I do finish. Okay, but before the exercise, what you have to do? You have to write the points which I marked already. So, simple equations, exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Okay, see here. Complete the last column of the table. Here one table is given for you. Serial number, equation, value. Say whether the equation is satisfied or yes or no. You have to write. Okay. See here. First you have to put the table. I too will put the table first. See. 1. Here equation and here value and here yes or no. You write full. Here I don't have the place. So you are having in the page, full page you can use and make the column. Down what to do I am going to tell you. Serial number, equation, value. This is first you have to put the column. Now what to do? First one is x plus 3 equal to 0. Value x equal to 3. Now first one, what is the given equation? X plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the value of x? In place of x you have to put 3. Here see, 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 plus 3 is 6 is not equal to 0. 6 and 0 are equal? No. 6 is not equal to 0. Here you have to write no. This is not satisfied. X equal to 3 is not satisfied. Then the same way second one, x plus 3 equal to 0 when x equal to 3, x equal to 0. Now second one, x plus 3 equal to 0. What is the value of x here? 0. Now in place of x we have to put 0 plus 3 equal to 0. 0 plus 3 is 3 is also not equal to 0. This value is also not satisfied. Okay. Now x plus 3 equal to 0. Same equation for different values. X plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to minus 3. Now we will see third one. What is the equation? Same equation. X plus 3 equal to 0. What is the x value here? X value is minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. See, minus 3 plus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0 equal to 0. Yes, both are equal. Here value is satisfied. Yes, I hope you understood now how to do. The same way, fourth one. Fourth, what is that? X minus 7 is equal to 1. What is the x value? X equal to 7. Now, fourth one you have to do like this. x minus 7 is equal to 1. What is the x value? 7. This implies that 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. In place of x, we have to put the value, given value you have to put 7 minus 7 is 0 is not equal to 1. That means no value is not satisfied. Next, fifth one, x minus 7 equal to 1. Same equation. Value is different. X equal to 8. We will see whether it is satisfied or not. X minus 7 is equal to 1. This implies that what is the x value given here? 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. See, 8 minus 7 is 1 is equal to 1. That means LHS equal to RHS. Yes, value is satisfied. Next, the same way, sixth problem, that is 5x equal to 25. 5x equal to 25. What is x value? X value is 0. Now we will see sixth problem. See, what is the equation? 5x equal to 25. X value is 0, 5, 0. Here see, 5 zeros are 0 is not equal to 25. That means this value is not satisfied. The next one, that is seventh one. 5x equal to 25. Same equation, different value. What is the x value? X value is 5. X equal to 5. Equation, seventh one, it is 5x equal to 25. Then 5 into bracket 5. Why 5 here? X value is 5 they have given. Now 5 5s are 25 is equal to 25. LHS equal to RHS. Yes, this value is satisfied. Next, eighth problem, eighth equation, that is 5x equal to 25. Same equation. For the value x equal to minus 5. See what happens, we will see. Now the eighth equation, that is same equation, 5x equal to 25. 5 into bracket. In place of x, what we have to write? Minus 5, because value is minus 5. See, plus into minus, minus 25 is never equal to plus 25. So this is not satisfied. Next, ninth problem, ninth one, m by 3 equal to 2. M by 3 equal to 2. What is the value? M equal to minus 6. M equal to, yes, minus 6. M equal to minus 6. Okay, we will see now. Ninth problem, m by 3 equal to 2. What is the value of m? M is minus 6 by 3 equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Here minus 2 is not equal to 2. That means this is not the value. Next, the 10th one, that is m by 3 equal to 2. Same, m by 3 equal to 2. What is the value? Value is m equal to 0. We will see what happens. Now the 10th problem, that is m by 3 equal to 2. What is the value? 0. 0 by 3 equal to 2. 0 by 3 is 0 is not equal to 2. That means this is also not satisfied. The next one, that is 11th problem, m by 3 is equal to 2. What is the value here? M is equal to 6. We will see now. Here we will see the 11th problem. What is the equation? M by 3 equal to 2. The value given is 6. 6 by 3 equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 is equal to 2. That means this is satisfied. When the LHS equal to RHS, that will be satisfied. So separately you can write neatly. Since the place is very little, so that I can write like this. So please you try to understand and write it properly. I hope it is clear to you. Sums are very easy. Okay. So this is what first main of exercise 4.1. So remaining mains I do in the next session. So this is simple equations 4.1. This is part 1 it is. Make it as part 1. So in the part 2 I will complete this exercise. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.